Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my brother Lawrence and his friend Rizal, and today we are doing the Halloween makeup. So this is super awesome and I'm super excited. This is the first time I am actually pro doing it on clients. Not that they're my clients, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my video and I hope we have a good time. Let's start. So what we are doing here, we are just discussing where the placement of the bruises will be. I'm taking my yellow cream paint, which is from a palette, I don't know, it's a no name, no brand palette. And I'm just layering that down for a base. I did do some research before I started with this look, just to see exactly how a torn muscle bruise looks, and this is the images I found. I wanted to replicate something exactly like this, or really close, with the blue, purple, reddish bruises. On top of that yellow cream paint, I'm just layering some red. And on top of that, some blue and purple for that realistic bruised effect. I also used some lash glue for the wound. It really created this perfect effect of skin because it dries clear, so it really worked nicely. When that dried, I just made a cut in the middle so that it has that skin flap effect. Letting that to dry, we moved on to the neck. I used my stippling sponge I created myself from just a normal makeup sponge and basically pulling it like into pieces. I'm just layering down yellow, red, blue and purple on top of each other, just like I did with the arm, and blending that out nicely. What I also realized is it was unnecessary to place the bruise before I placed the toilet paper and the lash glue. I could have just as well did it after the whole thing was dried. I'm just layering toilet paper, lash glue, toilet paper and lash glue as much as I need, and softening the edges with my fingers. I made a slit in the toilet paper and I'm just filling that in with some black cream paint and just darkening up that bruise really more. Doing the same for the arm, just filling in that cut with black cream paint in the middle and some blood on the edges. With my brother, I did the same thing on his arm that I did on Rizal's. It was just a bit more difficult because he has a huge arm and I was so tired of dabbing. But it turned out to be super awesome. I also decided to add the blood at the end because I did not want it smearing around and dripping everywhere before I took pictures and the last videos. But unfortunately I did not film that part because time was eating us and we had a limit. So we had to finish before that time limit. And so I just stopped recording and just finished the look so that they could have left for the party. I did decide to go a bit more into the arm area and under the pit, just so it gives the illusion of that realistic torn muscle look, and blending that out real nicely like I did with the other bruises. On his neck, I did the same thing. What I also realized is blending that lash glue with my fingers is way easier than using a sponge or a makeup brush, because the sponge or the brush tends to lift the toilet paper from the skin. With my fingers, I had way more control and I smoothed out the edges real nicely with my fingers instead. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. I really hope you loved it, and I will see you in the next one.